Manual slicing. Univex offers a variety of slicers to meet the demands of light, medium, and heavy-duty use. Before beginning operation, put on your cut-resistant gloves covered with single-use gloves. If your slicer is a semi-automatic model, for manual operation, the machine must first be set to manual mode. Make sure the slicer is turned off and that the thickness control dial is turned back as far as it can go to the minimum setting. Then pull the carriage towards you. Move the weighted gravity feed grip out of the way. Place the product into the carriage and lock it in place with the feed plate. Use the thickness control dial to control the thickness of the cut. Turn the thickness control dial counterclockwise to increase the thickness of the cut, and turn the thickness control dial clockwise to decrease the thickness of the cut. Note: the numbers on the thickness control dial are for reference purposes only and do not correspond to any specific unit of measure. If your model has a master power switch, first turn on the master power switch located on the rear of the machine. Then press the power button to turn the machine on. The power indicator light should illuminate and the blade will begin to spin. On the Univex Model 1000S, first turn on the master power switch on the rear of the machine. Then press the Blade On button on the control panel for 2 seconds. To slice the product, grasp the carriage arm handle with your right hand and move the carriage back and forth. Danger: use only the carriage arm handle to move the carriage back and forth. Do not push the carriage from the feed plate handle or from any other place. When finished, pull the carriage toward you completely and shut off the power. Turn the thickness control dial all the way back to the minimum setting to ensure that the blade is flushed and closed. Now, open the feed plate and remove the product. Unplug the slicer. Important: when the slicer is not in use, always fully close the fence and unplug the machine.